What's going on, guys? It's been a while since I posted a video. I just wanted to give a quick update where I've been, stuff like that. We recently moved out of the apartment I was at. We got a house. I think we've been here 3 months, and just still getting situated and everything. The garage situated. We still got my Mazda. Still been working on it. I got it running. Just little things here, timing issues, stuff like that. But for the most part, I've been working on it. Still trying to get some money together just to finish some stuff on it. But I had a guy ask me a question earlier today, on how to replace the camshaft plug on the back of the motor. And I'm going to show you now, or kind of tell you what you need to do. And let me show you. Hold on. Yeah, so here's the motor. Here's the camshaft, and there's a rubber seal back behind here. In a good way, you're gonna have to unbolt these, loosen them all up, all the cams, give yourself enough room, and you'll be able to slide that little. It's like a little plug. It's like a cam plug. I can't remember if it's like a half moon shape or a full circle, but I remember I did have to replace that a long time ago when I had to replace that a long time ago when I had another engine rebuilt, put it all back together, and I was like started leaking oil everywhere, and I had it running. I couldn't find where the hell the oil was coming out of. And I tend to find out that plug wasn't installed back into the head, but it was an easy fix. I think I ordered the plug from the dealership way back then. I'm not sure if you can find it online. I'm pretty sure you can. But when I got asked that question, I was like, I know exactly which one you're talking about. Because it's like a lot of people forget that it's there and they leak. So yeah, you'll want to take the camshafts. It's not like too scary. I mean, you just gotta loosen it up just enough to get that plug out. I think there's like a little slot, if I remember right. There's a little slot, and it kind of slides in that little spot, and the cam cap will go back over it, and just bit some silicone around. I bit a little silicone around the plug, and then where the camshaft meets the head, the camshaft cap meets the head, bit some silicone around there. It's just like when you do a valve cover, just bit some silicones where you think it will leak. And then when you tighten the cams back, it don't have to be too tight, just hand tight. It's aluminum heads, and you don't want to strip the bolts. I hope that helped. But yes, let me show you again. Yeah, you'll have to replace these two. We'll just unloosen them all, just enough for you to just bring it up, and you'll be able to pop that thing out. And yeah, just bit silicone underneath the cap on both sides, and then tighten it back down. And that should do it. Let's just stop the leak from there. And hope that answers your question. I guess tell you too, I have gotten another project that I've been working on slowly. All I did was lower it. I got me a little two-door Blazer. I always wanted a two-door Blazer. Right now I have a 3.4 drop on it, I bet. But right now I'm just using it for if I need to go to work or whatever. I'll have a little economical car to drive. I mean, it's a 6-cylinder, but it still does better gas than my freaking truck here, which I think I'm gonna end up selling pretty soon. I'm just not sure yet. And I got another vehicle thanks to my wife. She got me a 2020 Camaro SS 1LE. Always wanted a Camaro forever. Wanted one since I had one back in '97. I had me a '96 Z28, and finally was able to get me another one. Love the car. It's a 6-speed manual, nice. But yeah, I still have the Mazda. I'm still working on it. I just need to do the brake lines and try and save up some money to get redo all the airbag system. Right now it's just used for storage for all my little daughter's toys in the back, but redo the airbag setup. Look for like a Slam Specialties controller or a airlift, just something different. I don't have to have all these valves. These are old school valves. They still work, but just so many spots for leaks to come out, air leaks. I had the gas tank, I had to raise it up. This is where I fit it. When I get my bed, I'll make a kind of floor for it. I still got all the brake lines I need to fit. But yeah, I'm just been here trying to get my garage up to par, and that's where I've been. But I just want a quick video just to just give a little update where I've been. I still been working on this truck. It's just very slow, and then now with this Texas heat, it's just crazy. But I had the guy ask me a question about that plug, and hopefully that will help you out in that situation. And then you don't get too intimidated. Your cams, you could torque them down to a certain spec if you want to look those up. But usually on aluminum heads, just snug them up. You don't want to go too tight and they strip or they'll break the bolts. And these, I have hydraulic lifters, so you don't need to adjust them. And then if you have the other ones, you should still be okay, because I think they have there's adjustable ones too, and same thing. I mean, you're not switching them around or anything, so you'll be all right. You're just gonna loosen up just to get that plug out of there, and then go back hand tight again, or you could find the specs, the torque specs on those. But yeah, I hope that answered the question, and I'll try to make another video soon. Thanks.